Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer data from your previous phone to Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. So in order to do that, we can use an app that should be pre-installed on your device, that is Mi Mover. This is the app that allows you to transfer data between your old and your new device. Of course, you will need to have this app also installed on your other device, on your old one, but of course you can use the Play Store in order to find it and install it. It should be fairly easy to do that. Once you install it on your old device, then we can proceed with your new one. So let's choose now new, because we want to receive items. So over here we're gonna tap new. Of course we need to agree to those things. Once again, now we need to select our old device model. If you had Xiaomi before as well, then of course you can choose Xiaomi or Redmi. And if you had anything else, like any other Android, then of course you can do that. So you can choose Android. I had a Xiaomi, so I'm gonna choose that. Of course I want to grant access so that the app has the option to check what I have. And now we have the instruction to open the same app on the old device, and we will need to find out this device. So on the old device, of course, we want to set old, as we will be sending files. Now we are searching for the new device. And there we go, my device has been detected, so let's select it. And there we go, once we are connected, then we can choose what we want to transfer. We can transfer images, messages, contacts and call history, audio, video and documents, system app data and third-party apps. In these cases, we can, for instance, go to some of these options in order to exactly choose what we want to transfer. Unfortunately, there seems to be no way to choose exactly what we want to transfer. Of course, apps can be chosen. However, let's say I don't want to actually transfer all images, so I cannot really change that. And after that, we can press send, of course, in order to finalize the process and start sending everything. So if you want to be precise with what you want to transfer, there is a better alternative that you can use, and that is called Send Anywhere. And once again, of course, you will need to have this app installed on both your devices, the new one and old one. But essentially you want to go to the Play Store, or if you have not Android, but the Apple smartphone like iPhone or something, then of course you will need to go to the Apple App Store. And we want to search for Send Anywhere. And this is the app that we want to get. We want to install it. This is a pretty similar one. However, in this case, we can choose exactly what we want to transfer. We can choose individual files. So I think this is a better way to transfer those files. And as you may have noticed in the previous app, in the Mi Mover, we cannot really choose the Apple device, so that's a drawback definitely. Over here we will need to confirm or agree to terms and service as well as privacy policy, so let's continue. We need to grant access to files, of course. Not now, let's select not now, we don't want to get updates. Of course we can use Wi-Fi directly in order to send those files, but over here we have everything on our device, so of course we need to also get the app on our older device. And then on your older device, you can start selecting files that you want to send. You can simply tap on these circles next to the items. At the top over here, we have categories. And once you choose, you have this send button at the bottom of the screen, so press it. After that, you will get the code that you can enter on your new device, or you can also use the QR code. I'm gonna use this code over here. So what we need to do is on the new device, we want to go to receive, and then over here we can enter the input key. So in this case, it is 443845. There we go, and let's press receive. And now we need to wait for the devices to connect, and there we go. We start transferring all these files. Once we get everything, of course, we might see some ads, as of course the app is free. There we go, let's skip. But if I have received all these photos that I have chosen, so I can, for instance, go to the gallery and find them over here probably. If not, then I might need to go to albums, because it's based on the date. So yeah, so I had this So I have this at the bottom, but in albums, of course, I can also find it in other albums over here. So I have all of these images that I have transferred right now. So that's pretty much it. I think this is pretty straightforward and definitely more convenient than the MI Mover. So if you don't like MI Mover, then of course you can use Send Anywhere, or in fact any other app. If you have something similar to that, then feel free to use them as well. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!